Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Edge 20 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and then we can enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to find accounts, and as you can see here we've got also the Google section, and obviously you can add or remove a Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using accounts. So let me enter here, let's tap on add account, choose obviously Google. As I said, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, let's tap on next. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got a Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Obviously you can remove it whenever you want to, just by tapping on it and tapping on remove account. Tap on remove account again. And as you can see, it actually immediately disappears. So actually this is it. This is how to add or remove a Google account from your MOTOROLA Edge 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.